I'm about to show you how to bring all those awesome products from Alibaba straight to your online store, and we're doing it the easy way. Let's go. Create an Alibaba account. If you don't already have one, what are you waiting for? Go to the Alibaba website, sign up, and fill in your profile. Because who doesn't want a shiny new profile pic on their e-commerce journey, right? Oh, and don't forget to verify your account. We don't want Alibaba thinking you're a robot, unless you're secretly a robot. I won't judge. All right, now that you're an official Alibaba member, let's get that app. Log into your Shopify store. Hopefully, it's all ready to go. Head over to the left sidebar and click Apps, then tap that sweet Shopify App Store button. Now, in the search bar, type Alibaba. Yes, that Alibaba, and find the official dropshipping app. Hit Add App and follow the prompts. Easy, right? You might need to log into your Alibaba account. But hey, it's all part of the fun. Now, it's time to connect your Shopify store to Alibaba. Just plug in your store's URL. Don't worry, it's just like entering your username on Instagram. No HTTPS // required here. Simple, right? You're basically on the road to dropshipping greatness. Time to get shopping. But instead of shoes, we're talking about cool products for your store. Inside the Alibaba Dropshipping Center, start browsing through all the goodies they have to offer. Search, scroll, and dream big. When you find something that screams, "I need this in my store," click on it and hit Add to Import List. It's like adding things to your shopping cart. But for your business, now let's get to work. Head to your import list and click on that product you've got your eye on. You can change the name, description, tags, variants, and of course the price. Adjust those numbers to make sure you're not just making a sale, but making a profit. This is your store. Make it look fancy. Next up, push those products to your Shopify store. After you've made your product look amazing, it's time for the grand finale. Hit Push to Store, and voila! Your product is now live in your Shopify inventory. It's like magic, but better, because you're in control. Okay, time to handle the orders. When customers start placing orders, because, trust me, they will head back to the Alibaba Dropshipping Center. Go to My Orders, and from there, you can fulfill them one by one or in batches. You're the boss. You get to decide. Choose reliable suppliers. Look for those with high ratings and positive reviews. Maybe even order samples to make sure your products are top-notch. Optimize your product listings. You want them to be catchy, SEO-friendly, and of course, reflect your brand. Don't just copy-paste, folks. Make it personal, and there you have it. You've just learned how to import products from Alibaba to your Shopify store like a pro. Now go forth and conquer the world of e-commerce. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and ring the bell so you don't miss any more of our fun tutorials. Catch you in the next one, and happy selling!